In Danish AM Hub, we look at small and medium-sized companies, we look at the big corporates, and we look at startups. So having all of those players interact, share knowledge, and learn from each other is, I think, a prerequisite for building a strong ecosystem. Quite often what you see when you have really engineering-heavy or science-driven startups, you see this excitement about the technology, and what you need to be careful about is that the customer at the end of the day doesn't really care how the product is created, how the service is delivered, how difficult it was to do, or how fancy the technology is. And therefore, it's important to put yourself in the shoes of the customer and look at what you as a company can deliver to the customer in terms of value, in terms of doing new things, doing things differently, either cheaper, faster, more flexible, customized, and that is how you should assess the value you bring to the market. And the technology will enable that delivery, but the technology in itself is not your value proposition. I think what's really fascinating with the technology, additive manufacturing, is that it applies across so many different types of businesses, from bone printing to nanotechnology, to ZOLES in your shoes, and all of them leverage the technology, 3D printing, additive manufacturing, but they use it in different ways to add value to the customer and do something that was not possible before.